Now, it's a crucial job carried out under the most extreme pressure. That's why recovery mechanics from the Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers in Germany have been practising their strategy for vehicle breakdowns on the battlefield. And if they can take the strain, they'll receive a trade promotion into the bargain, as Julie Knox reports.
Starpool has just the terrain for the Reims to set up something that's part of operational life, a combat logistic patrol. Here comes the convoy of 8 vehicles on the way to us now. There are 20 recovery mechanics on board, and they don't exactly know how they're about to be tested, but they'll need to have all their wits about them. This is a simulation which is more or less as real as it can get in Afghanistan.
They're probably, certainly from our corps, some of these sort of more frontline troops. They experience the most demanding situations, and they not only need to be ready to do it under fire, but they also need to be able to look after themselves and make sure they're safe. They go from everything from just general roadside breakdowns, as we would encounter, to mine blast damaged vehicles such as blown up mastiffs with multiple axles missing.
Here they have a broken Mastiff, the only one in the army that's used for recovery training. Just imagine the pressure. A stricken vehicle's a huge target, a sitting duck. The crew commanders learn to take control of the job, coordinating the repair or recovery and managing the force protection to cover the backs of those at work.
It's just timings really. Everyone's always on your back about timings, how fast you've got to be able to do something. But then you've just got to take your time and make sure you don't mess up really. Make sure it's done safely.
While the weather's not quite like it is in the desert, where tools are often too hot to touch, the cold has its own challenges, and the Recce Mechs have to think about how the conditions can hamper the vehicles and their own capabilities.
Do to your best of your ability, and if someone asks you, you say to them, you say a bit more time, so when you get that job done, they think you're awesome, but you get it out quicker. So that's always the way.
Job done thanks to the new SVR, and it's out of the area with all possible speed, taking with them lessons for when they do this for real. Julie Knox, Forces News, Senalager.
Quite a challenge.